Step for 1. Testing every workstation manual mode. First, cup sorting workstation debugging. Press station debugging at the bottom, entering the cupping station. 1. A cup drop positioning. Press cup out section cup. 2. Output down. 3. Cup swing arm. 4. Output up. 5. Cup out section cup. 6. Output down. Gently lift the mold to ensure the cup does not touch it. Next, test operation of the cup sorting function. Second, feeding workstation debugging. First, move the hopper out from the machine. We first lowered the powder station's height via the control panel. Next, release the safety buckle. Then pull the hopper outward with force. Next, adjust filling parameters. 1. Set the weight of powder in each cup. 2. Place the cup on the scale and reset it to 0. 3. Press run and do not weigh the first 5 cups. 4. Use the cup to hold the next coffee grounds and weigh it. Now the actual weight is heavier than our target. 5. We need to adjust fill ratio. If the weighting is heavy, adjust the ratio down slightly. Otherwise, increase it. 6. Repeat filing press run and weighing. Make small adjustments to the ratio every time until the actual weight is close to the set. Last, raising the cup to ensure the nozzle is completely enclosed by the cup. Third, powder workstation debugging. Use these 2 buttons on the control panel to raise the workstation height. Place a cup in it. Still use these 2 buttons to lower the workstation height. Gently lift the cup with hands, a little room to move around, and the rotating rod can just barely avoid touching the cup. After the machine finishes working, remember to clean the coffee grounds collector.